preposition is a word that is used to show the relation between a noun or a pronoun and the other words in a sentence. Today we are going to learn some new prepositions. Grandma is knitting by the fireside. So by is showing the position where she is knitting by the fireside, or is showing she is beside the fireside. So by is the preposition in this sentence which shows position. The pen was gifted by my friend. So the preposition is by. So the preposition by tells us who is doing the action. What is the time by your watch? So the preposition is by. And when I use by, what do I mean? According to. So what is the time according to your watch? Now we have noticed that we are using by in all these sentences, but the usage is completely different. We are using it as a position, who the action is being done by, and here it talks about according to. I can finish this work by tomorrow. So by is the preposition here, and when we use by in such sentences, what do we mean? Not later than tomorrow. Harry sat by himself. So by is the preposition, and we can see that it is used in a different way here. Harry sat by himself. By over here shows that he sat alone, all by himself. We are traveling by train. So the preposition is by, and we have noticed that this is another usage of by, where we are showing that he's traveling from one place to the other and he's using a medium. The medium is the train. So how is he traveling? By train. Now in the same way, we can also say that he's traveling by car, he's traveling by bus, and so on. The priest is Brahmin by caste. So the preposition is by, and by over here shows that he belongs to this particular caste. He is Brahmin. He belongs to this caste. Now let's fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. It was 3 p.m. dash the clock. Charlie was in his study room, all dash himself. He was reading a book written dash Enid Blyton. Let's take a look at the first sentence. It was 3 p.m. dash the clock. Means we are talking about a specific time. According to the clock, it was showing 3 p.m. So we will use by. It was 3 p.m. by the clock. Charlie was in his study room, all dash himself. There was nobody in the study room apart from Charlie. So he was all alone. We can use by over here to show somebody is all alone. He was reading a book written dash Enid Blyton. So Enid Blyton is the author. We can see that he is reading a book written by Enid Blyton. So today we have learned some of the uses of by. It can be used for place, it can be used when somebody is doing something, or somebody belongs to a caste, or when we are talking about time. Today we have learned some usage of by. There are more prepositions that we will learn very soon. Till then, you can try using by in your sentences and see if you're able to understand its usage. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at Delta Step, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So, register for free now.